Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm your laptop or phone actually outputs video over USB-C. This is why display port alt mode matters. Once confirmed, plug the USB-C end into your device first, then connect the HDMI end to the monitor or TV. Make sure to use a certified adapter or cable rated for the resolution you want, for example 4K at 60Hz. Once done, power on the external display and set its input to the HDMI port you used. Now you handle software configuration so your image appears correctly. On Windows, open Display Settings. On Mac OS, go to Displays. Once the adapter is connected, your system should detect the external screen. If not, press Detect or Hold option while opening displays. Choose Duplicate or Extend, then set resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor. Make sure audio output is switched to HDMI in sound settings if you want sound through the display. Finish by confirming everything is seated and performing a quick restart if things still look wrong. If the image flickers or is missing, make sure the cable is firmly connected and try a different HDMI port on the TV. Once you isolate whether the issue is the adapter, test with another device or swap the cable. If problems persist, update your GPU or system drivers and firmware, then reboot. This often resolves handshake issues between USB-C and HDMI. If nothing works, try a powered adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.